Hello all. So today I'm going to talk about this beautiful function from Excel which is called as the filter function. And for us as the HR professional, I'm going to show you how we can use this filter function very beautifully to assist us. Okay, so filter function is answer for the VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP gives you only one value at a time, right? You can look for only one particular value, but with this filter function you can get multiple results for one particular value. Okay, so let us start. I will explain this function in a very simple way. I will try to explain it in a very simple way. Okay, so I have a data here where I have employee first name, I have employee last name, employee date of birth, and employee mobile number. Okay, so basically what I want to do is that I want to know whose birthday is there today. Okay, I want to start wishing those people, right? So there are many other ways. Previously we have seen those ways. Okay, there is a way of using the if formula. We are going to use the if formula here as well. Okay, but what we have been doing so far is that we use the if formula and then we use the conditional formatting. Okay, and then we put different color codes, different fonts, and we try to scroll down to the list and we try to remember the different fonts. Okay, and there are also many other complex ways, okay, where you really need high level of Excel understanding. But with this filter formula, you absolutely do not require any of those things. Okay, this is a very simple method. I'm going to show you how to use it. So before that, I'm just going to move this column C. Okay, from here I will move it to, okay, this side. Okay, just so as to make our process a bit easier. Now I have my data over here: employee first name, employee last name, employee mobile, and employee's date of birth. Okay, now I'm going to add in another column for our if formula, which says birthday today. All right, that's it. So I'm going to use the simple if formula. If here the logical test, for the logical test we are going to use the AND formula. So if and will give you options to use different logics. And what are my logics going to be? Okay, so I am telling the if function that you have to use multiple logics. What are my logics? First is, if the month in this date, okay, if the month in this date is equal to the month today, okay, and my second logic, okay, okay, so if you see, now I have second logic, okay, that is day against the same series cell number is equal to day today. So I have used two logics in this AND function. So I am telling the if function that if the month is same as the month today, okay, for this sale, if the month is same as the month today and the day is also same as the day today, all right, if these two conditions, if both these conditions are accepted, okay, if both these conditions are matched, then you give me a result as birthday today, okay, or you leave it blank. Okay, so very simple if formula. We are using and if formula. Okay, so basically, if the day is same as today and if the month is also same as today, you give me birthday today or you leave it blank. That is what I am telling in this formula. And now we will work on this formula. I will carry over this formula for all the cells. Okay, all right. So those who have a birthday today will have birthday today against their name. Okay, so I will put on a filter function here, filter button over here, and if you see, there is birthday today option here. That means there are a few people who have their birthdays today. Right now, previously before the filter function, what you guys used to do is that you will color code them. So you will go in this, you will go to conditional formatting, then you come to this, if text is equal to this, and okay, and then every time you open the sheet you have to check out for the color codes. But now with the filter function, this problem is solved very easily. Okay, now let us say I add a new sheet. Okay, we will rename this sheet as birthday today. Okay, right, and on top I'm going to write birthday today. Okay, all right, and I'm going to mention my filter function here, so please watch carefully. Filter, okay, you see this, and what it is telling, array is the result that you want to see. So what is the result that I want to see? I want to see the result from all these three columns. Okay, all these three columns I want to see the result. Okay, then what it says, include. Okay, it is asking me what to include, that means what to filter for, and I am going to tell it that you include this one. Okay, and okay, so just a minute. Okay, I am telling it to include data from this one where, okay, all right, so if you understand, I am telling it to filter the column E for value birthday today. Okay, and that is why I have written, okay, birthday today, or you can just write, okay, if it becomes too complicated you can just write birthday today. Okay, and you can close it, and that's all. You see, you get the name of all the people who have their birthday today. You didn't have to use the filter button at all. You didn't have to do the select all, clear all, conditional formatting, nothing. Okay, and the beauty of this is these are the name of people who have their birthdays today, right? And tomorrow when you open the sheet again, you will have different names here. So never ever you will have to scroll through this sheet to find out whose birthday is it. You don't have to remember the color coding, nothing. You just click on this sheet, you have the names of people, you have their phone number, you have any other data that you want to include, you can include that, and you have a complete list of the names. Okay, so very useful function. Okay, and I hope you like this video. Okay, please let me know your feedback for the video, and thank you very much. Have a good